Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are dealing with the topic algebraic expressions, identities. My today's identity is a square minus b square is equal to, in one bracket add the terms, second bracket subtract the terms, that is a plus b, a minus b. Let us do concept test for answer discussion. So here this is given 4m minus 3n, 4m minus 3n. Your first term is same, second term is same and middle sign is also same. What does it mean? We are going to use the second identity, that is a plus a minus b whole square is equal to first term whole square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term whole square. So let us use this. So 4m first term whole square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term whole square. So this will be 16m square minus 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 24 mn plus 9n square. All the three terms are different. So this is the answer. Again, middle term is minus whole square, it means again we are going to use second identity. So first term whole square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term whole square. So this will give you 4x raised to the power 4. 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12 plus minus 12 x square y cube plus 3 square will be 9 and y raised to the power 3 2s are 6. Now, how can you write down this 96 whole square? You can write this as 100 minus 4 whole square. So, this you can write down as a 90 plus 6 whole square. Also, your answer will be same. But just try to find out which one is more easier for you. So, this will be written as a 100 whole square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term whole square. So this will give you 10,000 minus 4 to the 8 into 100 will give you 800 plus 4 square will give you 16. Calculate this, you will get answer. Just do subtraction in rough column and write down the answer to avoid the mistake. So 10 minus 8 will give you 2. Here will be 9 and 0. 9,200 and add 16 here. So 9,216. So write down the answer 9,216. So today's identity a square minus b square is equal to add the terms, another bracket, subtract the term. This is the easiest way to learn. Now let us start with some examples. So we will see that which identity we are going to use. Your first term is same, second term is same and this middle one sign is different. It means we will use the third identity. And what is the third identity here? First term whole square minus second term whole square. So this will give you 9m square minus 25. These are the unlike terms, we cannot add. This is the answer. Again, your first term is same, second term is same, middle sign is different. It means we will use the third identity. And what is the third identity? First term whole square minus second term whole square. So this will give you n square minus 4. Again, check your first term is same, second term is same, middle signs are different. It means again we will use the third identity. And what is the third identity? First term whole square minus second term whole square. So this will be 4 2 square means 4x raised to the power 4 minus 5 square is 25 and y raised to the power 3 2s are 6. Third identity is very easy. Now here you can see that the three brackets, so any two brackets you can keep it in one square bracket. So first two brackets I am writing in square bracket. Now in square bracket you can see that first term is same, second term is same, the middle sign is different. It means for the square bracket also we will use the third identity. So what is the third identity? First term whole square minus second term whole square, and outside the bracket a square plus 1. Again first we will solve the square bracket, so you will get a square minus 1 and a square plus 1. Now still we can solve. Again you can see that our first term is same, second term is same, middle signs are different. So again we will use the third identity, so that first term whole square minus second term whole square. So this will be a raised to the power 4 minus 1. Such type of questions are very important. Always one question comes in the exam. Now find the value of 101 and 99. How can you write down this 101? You can write 100 plus 1, and 99 you can write down 100 minus 1. Again you can see that your first term is same, second term is same, the middle signs are different. It means we will use the third identity. So what is the third identity here? First term whole square minus second term whole square. So this will give you 10,000 minus 1, that is 9,999. Don't forget to write down the identities with each and every sum. Now same thing again we are going to use, but the way of asking question is different. Here you can see that 40x is equal to, how can you write down 58? You can write as a 58 square minus 42 square, a square minus b square. It means we can add the terms in one bracket, and another bracket you will subtract the terms. So 40x is equal to, add these two terms, you will get 100. No sign is there, it means multiplication. Now subtract the, for 58 minus 42, that will be 4. So now x is equal to 40 is in multiplication. So now 40 will come in division. So 1 1 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So x is equal to 10. Now again here also three brackets are there. Then these first two brackets I can keep in square bracket. Your first term is same, second term is same, the middle signs are different. So again we will use the third identity. So that is first term whole square minus second term whole square. And now the third one bracket x square upon 1 plus x square. Now we will solve this. So you will get x square minus 1 upon x square. Write down this also in bracket, and the second bracket note down as it is. Now again we can check, your first term is same, second term is same, middle signs are different. Means once again you can use the third identity, that is first term whole square minus second term whole square. So this will give you x raised to the power 4 minus 1 upon x raised to the power 4. Now this is concept test 6. This is your work. Take your time and solve. I think I have changed one or two question, the last one question, okay. So you can solve both the questions, this also you can solve and this also you can solve. So now here you can see that first term and second term is same and middle signs are different. So again we can use here the first term whole square and second term whole square. So this will give you 4a square minus 25b square. Here also your first term is same, second term is same. It should be m actually. Yeah, this should be m. So middle sign is different. So again you can use the third identity. So that first term whole square minus second term whole square, and this will give you 9m square minus 49. This is n. So 49m square. Now find the value 102 multiplied by 98. How can you write down this? 100 plus 2, and this is 100 minus 2. So plus and minus third identity. So first term whole square minus second term whole square. So 100 square will give you 10,000 minus 4. Subtract the number and you will get 9,996. So thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video, and also to watch my next video.